I'm a logo designer, ARTOLKA. I've been a logo designer since 2012. I'm based in Ukraine, live in Ukraine, don't have an art education, didn't go to art school, don't have design education, didn't go to design school. But one day I realized that I would like to become a logo designer. I learned everything by myself and became a self-taught logo designer. Not so long ago, I came to the realization that I have this mission in my life and I would like to help others to become designers as well. I would like to help others to become artists as well. So here I am creating this course for you. Who is this course for? When I started thinking about the course, I envisioned this one person. The person is someone who is lost, who works from 9 to 5, but he feels that there is something missing in his life. He probably used to love art, used to love creativity in his childhood, but then life happened. And I'm here to share with you that it's never too late to start doing what you actually love to do, to start doing art, in this case, to start doing logo design. What is this course about? The course consists of 4 questions that for sure interest you the most right now, 4 answers to these questions, 4 videos. So the first video is going to be all about what tools you need to start being a logo designer. The second video is going to be all about where to start from. I'm going to share with you the whole logo design process and what it really takes to create a logo design from start to finish. The third video is going to be all about how to know if the logo design you've created is a good logo design. I'm going to share with you the formula of a perfect logo design that I've discovered over the years of me being a logo designer. And the fourth video, kind of the bonus video, is going to be about how to sell the design, where to find job and work. How the course is different from other online logo design courses. Well, the course is simple. No homework, no difficult theory. I'm just going to give you the basics. Once you get to know the basics, you can decide for yourself whether you want to dive deep into the profession or not. I'm just going to give you the basics. And the course is created by me and shared by me, and I'm not a teacher, consider me to be a friend. Like, remember when you didn't do your homework at school, you didn't read a book and you asked your friend to tell you all about it? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm here to help you to understand what logo design is all about, and I'm here to share with you what it really takes to become a logo designer and how I'm doing it for 8 years. So if logo design seems interesting to you, then just start being a logo designer. Just start.